When you buy yourself a new fridge or freezer appliance, choose Currys installation service and our experts will install it at a time that suits you. Our friendly experts will check that your electrical and your plumbing connections are safe. They'll then disconnect your old appliance, unbox the new one, install it and test it to make sure that it's working. We'll also be able to change the side of the door that the hinge is on if it's reversible. As part of our installation process, we'll give you a full demo, and then if it's a smart fridge or freezer, we'll connect it to your Wi-Fi network and install the relevant app on your smartphone or tablet device. Finally, if you've asked us to recycle your old appliance, we'll take that away and we'll take the packaging away too and recycle that as well. From delivering and installing your brand new fridge or freezer appliance to recycling your old one, we can take care of everything. To get started, all you need to do is add installation to your basket online or chat to one of our tech experts in store. Just make sure you choose recycling at checkout, either online or in store, if you'd like us to recycle your old appliance.